To connect MetaTrader 5 to Binance, you will need to create a Binance account and enable the API functionality. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the API Management section. Click on Create API and follow the prompts to set up a new API key. You will need to provide a label for your API key and set the permissions to enable trading and reading balance information. Once you have created your API key, you will need to copy the API key and secret key. These keys will be used to connect MetaTrader 5 to your Binance account. Next, open MetaTrader 5 and navigate to the Tools menu. From the Tools menu, select Options and then click on the Expert Advisors tab. In the Expert Advisors tab, you will need to enable the DLL imports and allow the import of DLLs. This will allow you to import the Binance connector library into MetaTrader 5. You can then download and install the Binance connector library from the MetaTrader 5 marketplace. After installing the Binance connector library, you will need to configure the library to connect to your Binance account. To do this, navigate to the Binance connector settings and enter your API key and secret key. You will also need to select the Binance server and set the connection timeout. Once you have configured the Binance connector library, you can start using MetaTrader 5 to trade on your Binance account. You can use the MetaTrader 5 platform to create and manage trades, as well as monitor your account balance and trading history. It is also important to note that you should keep your API key and secret key secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. In conclusion, connecting MetaTrader 5 to Binance requires creating a Binance account and enabling the API functionality, installing the Binance connector library, and configuring the library to connect to your Binance account. By following these steps, you can use MetaTrader 5 to trade on your Binance account and take advantage of the platform's advanced trading features.